Hello friend, today's topic is ICH Guideline, International Conference on Harmonization. The first up on evolution. ICH was formed in April 1990, hosted by the European Federal of the Pharmaceutical Industry and Association, wherein the representative from United States, Japan comes together to discuss whether the implication and the term to the reference of ICH. The structure and the ICH is the composed of the six parties that are the directly involved as well as the three the observed and IFPMA, the International Federal of Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Association. The six is the particles are the founder is the member of ICH, which represented the regulatory bodies and the research based in the industry in the European Union, the Japan and United States of America. ICH guideline the quality topics those is relating to the chemical and pharmaceutical quality assurance, stability testing, impurity testing, then safety topics those relating to the in vitro and in vivo preclinical studies, carcinogenicity testing, genotoxicity testing, etc. Efficacy topics those relating to the clinical studies in human subject, dose response studies, good clinical practice, etc. the multidisciplinary the multidisciplinary topics, example the cross cutting topics which do not fit uniquely into one of the above the categories, medra, ESTRI, M3, CTD, M5. ICH GCP components, the external of the population exposure, clinical safety, data management, structure and content of the clinical trial report, dose response data, ethnicity in clinical trial. 6 is the good clinical practice guideline. 7 is evaluation of drug for use in the generic population, general consideration, statistics, the period review of safety data for market product, evaluation of drug for use of the pediatric population. uh, IRB, the institutional the review board. Institutional review board is and the independent ethics in the committee. The IEC or ethics review board, ERB, that is the April the monitor and review clinical research trial involve the humans. The aim is to the protect the right and the welfare of the research subject. IRB responsibility according to the ICH GCP and the IRB IEC, the schedule the safeguard the right, safety and well-being of all trial subjects. Social attention should be the paid to the trial that may the include uh, vulnerable subjects such as pregnant women, children, uh, prisoner and elderly. Investigator, the clinical investigator is the involved in the clinical trial is responsible for the ensuring that the investigation is uh, conducted according to the signed investigator the statement, the investigation plan and applicable regulation, for the protecting the right, safety and welfare of subject under the investigator's care, for the control of drug under the investigation brochure. The investigator brochure IB, which is a basic document which is a required a clinical trial of a new drug. The drug not be added the approval by the regulatory authority for a sale. The together with the clinical trial is the protocol. An investigator brochure must contain a description of the drug, the substance and the formulation, a summary of the pharmacological and the toxicological effect, a summary of the information relating to the its safety and effectiveness in human, description of the possible risks and adverse reaction to be the anti anti capital. Thank you.